of today's discourse is biological transformation associated with psychic metamorphosis and vice versa. This applies to the macrocosm as much as to the microcosms. In the phase of extroversion, one suprapsychic entity is transmuted into many prakriti-influenced physical entities. The entity which was psychic is transmuted into numerous physicalities. In this connection, the Vedas observe Ekoham Bahu Syama. I am one, but I shall become many. This I feeling is something psychic, an ectoplasmic vibration, within or without the realm of the physical structure. In this transformation of one into many, or rather, in this phase of extroversion, numerous individual physical structures emerge from a singular vibration. Thus, this psychic entity is gradually transformed into crude matter. Each and every fractional wave of the vast cosmic mind then takes the form of an individual animate or inanimate structure. In the phase of introversion, the reverse takes place. In this phase, individual microcosms move forward with the ideation of the Supreme One, and their multiplicities are transformed into the supreme unicity. As long as there are physicalities, there are material differences. But as these individual physicalities move towards the supreme goal, the final desideratum, their multiplicities rapidly decrease, and ultimately they are converted into one supracosmic or macrocosmic entity. That is to say, the whole process of movement is from the state of unicity in the psychic arena to the multiplicities in the physical sphere, and vice versa. In the extroversial phase or of expression, sanchara, the psychic one becomes physically many, and the unipsychic becomes multiphysical, and in the introversial phase, pratisanchara, multiphysical is transmuted into unipsychic. This is the eternal sport, lila, of Paramapurusha, supreme consciousness. In the past, many millions of years ago, living beings came onto this earth. In those early days in the Tertiary Age, and especially in the Cretaceous Age, there were many gigantic animals and plants. Human beings did not appear until approximately 1 million years ago. Those huge trees and animals possessed very simple living cells without much complexity. Most of the cells were only of one type. There are some trees even now which have the same kind of simple cells. For example, ferns, to which I have given the Sanskrit name Puranica. These types of plants were multicellular, but their protozoic structure was uniform in character. The same was the case with some other living beings also. For example, there were gigantic animals like dinosaurs, brontosaurs, cactaceae, etc., which possessed very simple physical structures. The number of cells in their body was great, but the degree of intercellular difference was almost negligible.